Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you our novel Christmas dessert idea: chocolate-covered cheesecake bites. These are the perfect size for a party treat or to end a delicious meal. Creamy cheesecake filling covered in rich chocolate will have your taste buds dancing with delight. Let's dive in and get started. Here's what we'll need. Melt 4 ounces of dark chocolate. For this recipe I use silicone cupcake cups, but you can use any size you prefer. Next, coat all sides of the cups with a thick layer of chocolate. Place the cups in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes or until the chocolate hardens. Meanwhile, let's prepare the filling. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of sugar or to taste, 1 teaspoon of zest of orange, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of cooled melted unsalted butter. Mix everything well combined. If you'd like, you can also add 1 tablespoon of shredded coconut, but that's optional. Stir everything again until smooth. Once the chocolate cups are ready, fill them with the cream cheese mixture. Then cover the filling with the remaining chocolate. Allow the cheesecake bites to set in a cool place, either in the refrigerator or the freezer for faster results. They should be ready in about 10 to 20 minutes. These cheesecake bites can be enjoyed straight from the refrigerator or freezer for a refreshing frozen treat. Once they hardened, carefully remove the bites from the silicone cups. For the finishing touch, I like to drizzle melted chocolate on top and add sugar sprinkles, but feel free to decorate them however you like. And that's it! Your chocolate-covered cheesecake bites are ready to enjoy. They're delicious, creamy, and festive treat that your family and friends will absolutely adore. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.